Hey guys, I'm sure you've all had Sting at some point. That small bottle with the sweet taste and instant energy boost the moment you drink it. Especially in the summer or when you're feeling tired, it just hits different. But have you ever taken a second to notice one line written on the bottle? Not recommended for children and pregnant women. Now here's the thought, if this drink is so good and gives so much energy, then why is it not recommended for kids and pregnant women? What exactly is in it that not everyone can drink it? And the most interesting part is, we've all seen kids drinking it many times. So is it really safe or not? We'll tell you the real reason at the end of the video. But before that, let's find out how Sting is actually made. Friends, the biggest part of any drink is water. But the water used here isn't normal tap water. In the factory, they first purify the water in many stages. It starts by passing through big filters. After that, it goes through reverse osmosis, the RO process. In this, water is pushed through a very fine membrane under pressure, which removes dissolved salts and chemicals. Then comes UV treatment, where ultraviolet light kills bacteria and viruses. So after this stage, the water becomes so pure that it's directly drinkable. Now the real game begins. Sting is not just a flavored drink, it's an energy drink. That's why they add some special ingredients. First comes caffeine. Caffeine is the same thing found in tea and coffee. It stimulates our brain and reduces fatigue for some time. That's why you feel a bit more alert after drinking Sting. After that comes taurine. Taurine is a type of amino acid that helps in many functions of the body. It supports muscles and the nervous system. Then they add B-complex vitamins. These vitamins speed up the process of making energy in our body and help convert the food we eat into energy. Now comes sugar. Sugar gives instant energy, but in large amounts it can also be harmful. All these things are added in very precise quantities because if the proportion gets even slightly off, both the taste and the effect can change. Now they prepare the base of this drink, which is called the syrup base. In big stainless steel tanks, they mix water and sugar to make a thick syrup. During this, huge mixers keep rotating inside the tank, so the sugar dissolves completely. Temperature is also controlled because if it gets too hot, the sugar's taste can change, and if it's not hot enough, it won't dissolve properly. Now comes the step that gives Sting its identity, the flavor. Sting's taste is a little fruity, a little tangy, and a little sharp. This taste is created by mixing different flavoring compounds. Some are natural extracts and some are artificial flavor molecules. Their quantity is very small, but they decide the entire character of the drink. Here, flavor scientists do many trials. Only then a final taste is prepared that stays exactly the same in every bottle. Now let's talk about its color, because the color of natural drinks can vary every time. They add food-grade color. It is completely safe and is only added to improve the appearance so that every time you pick up the bottle, its color looks the same and appealing. Now comes carbonation. In this step, carbon dioxide gas is added to the drink. This is done under high pressure. Once the gas dissolves in the drink, it stays inside the bottle. And as soon as you open the bottle, the pressure drops and the gas comes out. That's the fizz sound you hear. This fizz makes Sting even more refreshing. After this, the drink goes through the pasteurization process. It is heated to around 90 degrees for some time. This kills any harmful bacteria or microorganisms and keeps the drink safe for a longer time. Now comes homogenization. In this process, the drink is passed through very high pressure. This makes all the particles inside it very small and uniform. Because of this, the drink doesn't separate into layers, and every sip feels smooth and consistent. Now this ready drink is stored in big sealed tanks. Special care is taken for temperature and cleanliness in these tanks, so the drink doesn't spoil. Sometimes this drink stays stored here for weeks or even months. Now comes the bottling process. First, empty bottles are washed by machines. Then they are sanitized so there is no contamination. After that, automatic fillers fill every bottle with the exact amount of drink and immediately cap it. This whole process is so fast that hundreds of bottles are ready in 1 minute. After that, every batch goes through lab testing. Here they check taste, acidity, sugar level, and safety parameters. Only if everything is correct, it is sent to the market. So friends, this is how a small sting goes through so many scientific and controlled processes to get made. Now let's come back to that question. Why does it say not recommended for children and pregnant women? The biggest reason is caffeine. Caffeine is okay for adults in limited amounts, but it can affect children's bodies much faster. It can disturb their sleep, increase heart rate, and also affect concentration. For pregnant women too, consuming too much caffeine is considered risky because it can affect the development of the unborn baby. Besides this, it also has a good amount of sugar, which can cause obesity and other problems if taken in excess. That's why companies already write the warning so that people drink it wisely and in limited quantity. So friends, the next time you open a bottle of Sting, remember not just its taste, but also all the science hidden behind it. And just like Sting gives you instant energy, there's one thing that's eaten with great joy in every Indian household after meals: hajmola. If you've eaten too much or your stomach feels heavy, just one hajmola and everything feels fine. But have you ever thought how this small tablet is actually made? So let's find out the complete factory story and interesting journey behind hajmola. Actually, the making of hajmola doesn't start in the factory, but in the fields. In different parts of India, farmers grow various crops that are later used to make hajmola. The most important among them is cumin, jeera. Cumin is specially grown in hot and dry areas. When the crop is ready, farmers carefully cut it and dry it in the sun. After that, it is cleaned, filled in big sacks. Similarly, black pepper is also grown, which gives hajmola its slight spicy taste. After the black pepper crop ripens, it is harvested and dried in the sun again. Dry ginger powder is made by drying ginger, which is considered very beneficial for digestion. Apart from this, many other ingredients like pipli, cloves, salt, black salt, ammonium chloride, sugar, and lemon juice are also collected from different places. When all this raw material is ready, it is loaded into trucks and sent to the hajmola factory. And this is where the real journey of that small tablet begins, the one we've been eating since childhood. Friends, almost all of you must have eaten hajmola in your childhood. Small round tablets, but the taste is so chatpata that after eating one, you feel like eating another. Sharing hajmola with friends in school days, keeping a small packet in your pocket, or buying 1 rupee hajmola from the shop. These memories are probably part of many of your childhoods. But have you ever thought where this small tablet gets such an amazing, tangy, spicy taste from? And how is it made in the factory? So today we're taking you inside the hajmola factory, where this famous chatpati tablet is prepared with the help of different spices and modern machines. In the factory, first comes dry cumin. It is put into a big roasting machine. Inside this machine, cumin is roasted at around 130 degrees Celsius. Roasting makes both the aroma and taste of cumin even stronger. When the cumin is well roasted, all the other spices are added to it, like black pepper, dry ginger powder, cloves, pipli, salt, black salt, and sugar. In the beginning, workers put all these ingredients in a big container and mix them thoroughly. This step is very important because if the spices are not mixed properly, the taste of hajmola can be different in every tablet. When everything is well mixed, this entire mixture is put into a powerful grinder machine. This machine slowly grinds all the spices into a very fine powder. But the process doesn't end here. For better quality, this powder is ground not once, but in multiple stages. Because of these advanced mixers and grinders, all the spices become completely fine and uniform. When the powder is fully ready, it is sent to a special sieving machine. The job of this machine is to sift the powder. If any particles bigger than 3 millimeters remain, the machine separates them and crushes them again. Now comes the most interesting step, making hajmola tablets. For this, the container filled with powder is put into an automatic tablet making machine. This machine is extremely fast and precise. Working at a speed of about 25 revolutions per minute, this machine can make around 200,000 Hajmola tablets per hour. High pressure is used inside the machine. When the powder goes into small molds, the machine presses it and gives it the shape of a round tablet. In just a few seconds, small, tangy Hajmola tablets come out. And believe me, not lakhs but crores of Hajmola tablets are prepared in the factory every day because the demand in India is very high. Now these tablets are sent to the packaging section through a conveyor belt. Here machines count the tablets and pack them into small packets. By the way, one fun thing comes to mind. When I used to buy 1 rupee Hajmola in childhood, the small packet used to have 6 tablets. But nowadays, the same 1 rupee packet has only 4 tablets. So with time, the packet stayed the same, but the number of tablets decreased a bit. Anyway, after packaging is complete, these small packets are put into boxes. Then these boxes are packed into big carton boxes. After that, these cartons are loaded into trucks and sent to different states and cities of India. From there, the stock reaches distributors, and slowly, this Hajmola reaches our local Kirana stores, from where we buy and eat it with great enjoyment. Friends, nowadays Hajmola also comes in many different flavors, like regular flavor, imli flavor, pudina flavor, anadana flavor, chat cola flavor, and hing flavor. That's why everyone has their own favorite Hajmola flavor. So now you must tell us in the comments, what is your favorite Hajmola flavor? Mine is still the regular one. And if you like this video, then like the video, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm signing off. Till then, do check out these 2 videos, they are really good.